Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
Now, beach collection was forcefully taken by tourism department, and that time I had requested Babu that you won't be able to handle it. He's a good minister, a good friend of mine, a good colleague in the assembly, but they don't understand that it has to go together. Collection and treatment goes together. It is not the subject matter of the tourism department. Tourism department जो तर म्हणटा बीच क्लीन करूंक जाय जाल्यार आख्खे गोंय तेणी क्लीन करूंक जाय. कित्याक क्लीन करूंक जाय? ट्युरिस्ट जे येता ते सगळ्याक भोंवंक जाय. सो ताका एक सेपरेट डिपार्टमेंट केल्लो आहा आनी हे सिरियसली CMान घेवपाक जाय आनी फुडल्या पावटी जे आहा ते चेंजीस करून हाडूंक जाय तेजेर. दॅट सॉलिड वेस्ट मॅनेजमेंट कॉर्पोरेशन ओन्ली will float a tender to collect the waste from the beach. हे आमचे जाल्ले आसले डिसिजन, पूण लास्ट मिनिटाक आमच्या CMान काडून ते ट्युरिजमाकूच दिले. तुमीच घाला म्हणून टेंडर. बट आतां तेंचे कडेन ते जायना मॅनेज. ट्युरिजम डिपार्टमेंटांतले ऑफिसर येवन ते चॅक करूंक सोदिना वेदर द कलेक्शन इज डन ऑर नॉट डन ऑन द बीच.